I haven't vlogged on this camera in such a long time. All right, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if this video is gonna come out before or after the epic road trip video that we took in this 2018 Jeep Wrangler JLU Unlimited, all the way from Los Angeles, California to Orlando, Florida, pretty much straight. I don't know if this video is gonna come out before or after that, but we are in Orlando, Florida today, and my main camera, it broke. So I'm kind of in a pickle because I really need that camera. This camera works fine, but I don't really like it as much. I'm being totally honest with you guys. This isn't like my main camera. Should probably simplify everything and just have one camera, but we'll see what's up. I did find this camera shop that's here locally that sells cameras, repairs cameras, does everything like that. So I'm gonna take a run up there, see what's up. But I figure I'll bring you guys along with me. We're gonna have some fun. We're out in Orlando inside the Jeep. I'm gonna take the roof off. I did bring my mirror, so we can't take the doors off, so that would be cool. So we'll see what's up. Let's go on the road. We have to drive. It's kind of a longer drive from our Airbnb, but let's go on the road. Let's get there. Being out here, it is nice. Everything just seems so, I don't know. Being back on the East Coast, everything just seems a little bit different, you know? Humidity levels here, though, they're definitely high. It's 75 degrees, but it's humid, so I gotta have the AC on. Whereas inside LA, when it's like this temperature, you don't really need the AC. If you can roll down the windows, it'll feel great, but like it's just humid here. But we haven't really had that much rain, so that's been nice. The Jeep has been handling great out here. This is like the perfect place to have a Jeep, man. I'm excited to be able to take the doors off at some point in time during our trip and just drive around, since we've never actually taken the doors off. So like in this Jeep, we've never taken the doors off. In my old one we did, but that'd be cool. Well, we got a little turned around inside the city, but I think we're headed the right way now. Sometimes it is cool to just like go inside of a different area where you haven't been and just kind of like look around. Man, I will say though, oh my God, this camera. Wow, using this camera, not the full frame, it's like not as wide as what I'm used to now with my full frame and my other lens. So yeah, I need to try to get this other camera. So we are here, and let's hope this place is, hopefully they're nice. I have no idea. All right, let's go in there. Let's see what's up. Okay, so this place, yeah, they kind of sucked. Literally, like, I really hate going to places like this because of, you see me waiting there patiently, waiting my turn. Then they're gonna literally go to someone else. I'm just like, okay. Bro, this is the reason why, like, half the time, like, I don't like going to local shops like this. Like, bro, I was literally about to drop like $2,000, if not more, on another camera if they would have had it in stock. If they would have just came over to me, I would have dropped like over $2,000 on a freaking camera. But no. And this is the reason why I'm like, okay, I'll just go to a box store. I try to support local places, but you know what? If you don't want to serve me, that's totally fine. I will gladly go to a place that will serve me. That's the reason why half the time I'm just like, dude, I'll just go to a box store, because like, you try to go to a place like this and you don't get service. Okay. Hey, take two of this. We're at, this is a Best Buy. Can you even see that over there? So there's a Best Buy. Okay, so this Best Buy back there, they didn't have it in stock. They said there's another one. It's called, where's it? It's in Millennial Mall. They should have it in stock. I'm debating if I should go over there and get it. I also have to, tomorrow is Angelica's birthday. Yo, but honestly, she's gotten a lot of stuff for her birthday. But I want to get her a card and I think like a cake. So I could pick that up. I think there's a spot that's close to our Airbnb where I can pick that up at. I'm debating if I really want to drive all the way over to this other Best Buy to pick up another camera, or should I just settle, or should, like, these are the moments where I'm like, okay, I want it. Do I need it? No. I could technically use this camera. I've been using this camera. It's a fine camera. It gets by fine. Sometimes the quality is not as great. I can just use this for now. It'll be fine. And then when we get back into LA, I can try to find a repair shop there that could fix my camera. So I could do that. But you know what? Sometimes I love leaving it up to chance. I'm gonna use Siri to flip a coin. Heads, I buy a new camera today. Tails, I don't. I'm gonna do this on camera so you guys can see it. So whatever happens, it happens. So heads, I do it. Tails, I don't. Okay. Best 2 out of 3. Hey Siri, flip a coin. Oh my God, you can't see it. Tails, so no. Hey Siri, flip a coin. What is it doing? All right, that's tails. Tails again. Best 2 out of 3. Okay, fine. Fine. All right, I won't. Let me get back. All right, I won't do it. I won't do it. I want a replacement so badly, but I'm not gonna do it. All right, we're gonna go back to the Airbnb. But first we're gonna stop at a store to get a card and get a cake. So let's do that. I'm actually waiting in line for Starbucks right now. And you know what? And honestly, after thinking about it more, I just gotta just chill because of, you know what? It's really not the camera equipment that makes good videos. It really is the quality of like what the content is. So I'm gonna chill. I can fix my camera. Hopefully, we'll see if I can fix it, but it's okay. I mean, I got this. This is totally fine. Like, honestly, like many other people would love to have this setup, so I gotta chill with that. But the one thing I do want to say is, though, my motto in life, like, someone only has to tell me once that they don't want my service. Like, they are not willing to serve me or anything like that. Like, look, say less. I'm never gonna beg someone to, like, serve me or to, like, take my money or anything in life. Someone tells me no once, that's it. You get no more chances with me. I'm like, okay, cool. Like, you can do what you want to do, but I'm going to just move on because I'm never begging anyone to like serve me or to do anything like that. And you should have that same mindset too. Literally, someone has to tell you just once that they don't want you, you never have to deal with them ever again. I did wind up picking up another figure from the store, and I was able to grab some stuff for Angelia for her birthday. Just back at the Airbnb now. It's hot out here. It's some different type of heat inside Florida. Okay, cool. So we're back the next day. Everything is kind of strange. So my camera is broken still. I'm going to wait till we get back home and try to see if I can fix it. I'm just gonna use this one, it's fine. This one's, I mean, this is fine. This is honestly, this is like a really nice crop scissor camera. So I'm not gonna get all butthurt about my main camera being broken. Actually, while we're here though, I'll show you guys. This is our Airbnb. It's pretty nice. Kitchen. Main area. Doggies. Oh, this room over here. And a really nice backyard, which I haven't honestly spent that much time inside the backyard, to tell you the truth. Like, at all. We probably should. Yeah, pretty much today is Thursday morning. We're on our way to Universal again. So we're gonna be heading down there. I'll be filming for the theme park channel, which link is always down below. So if you want, you can check out that. We're having a fun time doing all of this type of stuff. But leave out of Orlando Sunday morning. So still have some couple more days left and a good time left. So we gotta make sure we try to do everything still, but try to rest as much as we can. We rest all day yesterday pretty much. I want to make sure we are well rested for the drive back inside of the Jeep. It's gonna be a long drive, but I think we can knock it out pretty straightforward because we don't have to like technically stop or anything. We can just keep going and keep pushing. So I want to get back as quickly as possible when we have to leave. So that would be nice. I guess we're just about to get ready to go off to Universal. But if you guys haven't seen the epic road trip video getting out here, check this video out right here. It was a blast getting out here and really good information about it. Check this video out. We'll see you in the next one.